Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Chatterley channel.
Hi, Alex. Hello, friends. How are you, Alex?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Sarah?
I am happy. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am ready. What is the topic today?
Today, we will talk about music.
That's exciting.
Yes.
Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, I am ready.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Alex.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
That's nice.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop music is fun.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
She is very famous.
Yes, she has many good songs.
Do you like to sing?
Only a little when I am alone.
That's funny.
Do you sing, Alex?
I sing sometimes in the shower.
That's great.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Really? That's cool.
Thank you. Do you play any instruments?
I play the piano.
How long have you played the piano?
I have played for 2 years.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Do you have music classes?
Yes, I take piano lessons every week.
I take guitar lessons every Saturday.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, my teacher is very friendly.
My teacher is also nice.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music when I do homework.
That's nice.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, I like listening with headphones.
Me too.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to rock and pop music.
Do you like slow songs?
Sometimes when I am tired.
Who is your favorite band?
My favorite band is BTS.
Oh, I like them too.
Do you ever go to concerts?
Yes, I went to a concert last year.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was amazing.
I want to go to a concert someday.
You should. Concerts are exciting.
Do you like to dance to music?
Yes, I love dancing.
Me too. Sometimes I dance with friends.
I like to dance at parties.
Do you listen to music when you travel?
Yes, it makes traveling better.
What is your favorite song right now?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
That's a good song.
What about you?
I like Blinding Lights.
I know that song.
Do you always listen to music alone?
No, sometimes I listen with my family.
I listen to music when I study.
I listen to music when I clean my room.
Do you watch music videos?
Yes, on YouTube.
I watch music videos too.
Music is a big part of my life.
Same for me.
Let's listen to music together someday.
That sounds great.
See you soon, Alex.
See you, Sarah.